ColoringBook AI has just been released, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new software. If you're curious whether this is the next big thing in AI tools or just another overhyped release, stick around, because I'm breaking it all down so you know exactly what you're getting into. First off, ColoringBook AI is an impressive tool that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to turn simple sketches or designs into fully realized artwork. Whether you're a designer, artist, or just someone who loves experimenting with creative ideas, this software can save you hours of work and spark your imagination. The big question is, does it live up to the hype? One of the most exciting things about ColoringBook AI is its ease of use. The platform is beginner-friendly, with a simple, intuitive interface that allows anyone, even complete novices, to get started. The AI does most of the heavy lifting, meaning you don't need to be an expert to create stunning visuals. Simply upload your sketches or basic ideas, and the AI transforms them into beautiful, polished pieces of art with minimal effort. What makes ColoringBook AI stand out is its flexibility. Unlike other AI tools that have rigid templates, this software lets you customize every aspect of the artwork, from color schemes to brush styles and textures. Whether you're working on a cartoon character, a detailed landscape, or something more abstract, the customization options give you total creative control. But it doesn't stop there. One of the major selling points is its speed. Unlike other AI tools that can take several minutes to process a design, ColoringBook AI is incredibly fast, generating results in a fraction of the time. This efficiency is a game changer for anyone working under tight deadlines or looking to quickly prototype ideas. Another standout feature is its real-time collaboration tools. If you're working on a project with a team, this feature allows multiple users to work on the same design simultaneously, making it easier to bounce ideas off one another and refine your concepts. This is something that sets ColoringBook AI apart from traditional graphic design tools, where collaboration can often be clunky or time-consuming. But let's talk about pricing, because that's where some of you might be wondering, is it worth the cost? The good news is that ColoringBook AI offers a free trial, which means you can get a hands-on feel for the software before committing to anything. For those who want to unlock all the features, the subscription plans are fairly affordable, especially when you consider the time it can save you in your design process. And here's something crucial that you need to know. The AI behind this software is constantly learning and improving. This means that as more users interact with it and provide feedback, the software gets smarter. It's not static, it evolves, ensuring that you're always working with the best, most advanced version of the tool. But here's the thing, like any AI tool, it's not perfect. While the results are often impressive, there are instances where the software might not fully capture the vision you had in mind. That's where the manual tweaks and customization options come in handy. But I'll be honest, the AI is getting better every day, and for most users, it delivers results that are beyond what you could expect. Finally, if you're still on the fence, here's the kicker. You can try ColoringBook AI completely free. That's right, no risk. Just the chance to see what it can do for your designs. So if you're ready to dive in and see for yourself, click the first link in the description to start your free trial today. And before you go, I've compiled a list of my recommended AI tools that I've personally tried, so you can check out the best options for your creative projects. Trust me, after testing thousands of AI software, these are the ones that stand out. Check them out in the description below. That's it for today's review of ColoringBook AI. I hope you found this helpful, and remember, the future of creativity is here, so don't miss out on these cutting-edge tools.